Welcome to a new video, and we are starting it from this car park just off Yeadon Way, leading up towards the football stadium. So yeah, we're going to try and take a look at the police station demolition progress, see how it's coming along. So I've not really seen it since they started demolishing it. So yeah, we'll go and take a look at that. Just go for a little walk. And yeah, we'll see how things go from there, really. So yeah, as you can tell, it's really quiet because it's on like first thing Sunday morning. So when the updates today will be as of Sunday the 19th of January. So this will be actually uploaded on a week on Saturday. Well, next weekend. Which will be the 25th. So yeah, this video will be live on the 25th. So I apologise, it's quite behind. Like I say, I work full time Monday to Friday. I'm going out getting the content during the weekend. Because by the time I'm finishing work, it's 5:30. It'll be pitch black. At the moment, there's not really any point in me going out at that sort of time. When the days start getting longer, then I probably might think about maybe going out occasionally midweek. But yeah, until the days start getting a bit longer, I'll keep on being a few days behind. So you'll have to bear with me. We've got Danfo there, sorting out the public toilets. I was actually thinking about bringing my drone out today, but unfortunately I didn't charge the batteries up overnight. But so many seagulls are flying about in Blackpool, it's unbelievable. And you got a load on top of that Travelodge building. So I'd say that Blackpool now isn't really all that much of a good place to fly a drone anymore. Because you got seagulls, and seagulls do not like drones. No, if they see a drone, they'll try and attack it whilst it's in mid-flight. And imagine all them after your drone. So I can zoom in a bit. Might see more there. Yeah, we're just walking past the football stadium now. As you can see though, there's quite a few cars this time in the morning. It's only 20 to 10. I believe there was a football match happening yesterday, so it was fairly busy. It's good when there's a football match going on here because it brings people to the town. So during football season, as other places can imagine, if you got a football stadium and you get the visitor numbers coming in, it helps the town out a little bit. So obviously they'll probably stay here or something for the night and then go back day after, because they'll want to have a couple of drinks or whatever. Yeah, that's our stadium. So yeah, we're at section G on the car park. Got some more public toilets here. I thought that was a coach or something then, but no, it's just a car. Speaking of coaches, there's quite a few coaches parked up in here. Yeah, you got a camper van, you got a coach, so whether they stopped overnight or not. You'll probably find that I did sleep overnight actually, because yeah, there was a football match going on. We've got a coach parked up here. Probably an overnight coach. Here you've got the bus depot. I think all this looks like, you know, a office block to do Blackpool Transport. Yeah, I've been doing quite a bit of work around here, to be honest. I'm not sure if you can see it properly or not, but there's Blackpool Tower in a light fog. It's a bit, I'd say it's a little bit on the misty side this morning. That's probably why it feels a bit chilly at the same time. So it's just a low cloud. It's not all that bad though. Not compared to what we've had past couple of days. You got the former Odeon building down there. So I'm not sure what's going on with it though. Yeah, there's been no update. Be interested to see what's going on. It was supposed to be Storage King, but the council won't give them planning. Is it planning? I think they declined it, so yeah, there's the bus depot. So yeah, we'll come on down here anyway, and we'll have a look to see the demolition progress of the police station, Bonny Street, and the courts as well. Yeah, it'd certainly be interesting. And you can see the Department for Work and Pensions building from here. That great big tall building just over there in distance. See if I can zoom in on that. You can probably see it there, just in the mist. So yeah, that's going to be a new landmark for Blackpool. I keep on saying that. Technology and everything, it's moving too quick. But saying that, it's moving at a nice rate. But the technology that they're bringing out, you don't feel ready for it just yet. You think to yourself, well, yeah, it's coming along too quick, but you want to give it time to like settle down. So to bring something new out, you want them to work out all the bugs and everything, shall we say. Like we're getting fibre broadband released to every household in the UK. Yeah, that's a long awaited upgrade. It's what we need. But then there's people that rely on the old copper phone line infrastructure still. Yeah, going off that, still got these signs up here. Christmas by the Sea till 5th January. Monster Hunt. Yeah, a lot of these need to come down. And when did I last walk here now? I think it was last weekend. Yeah, still not taking them down, even after a week. But fair play to them. I think a bit further up here, but there are actually some new ones up. So yeah, we'll try and see which ones are new. That's old. That's old. It's a shame because look at all the work that goes into it, and it's only up for a couple of months. Then they need to rip it all down. So I just find it a bit saddening in that they put all the work into making these things, but then they have to take them down a few months after. Like this one, that's not too bad. It's advertising ready for me. This one here, coming up, March. This one here is in June, Grease and Musical. There's one here called Shirley Valentine. Yeah, so here's the Demolition area. You can see them top windows have been taken out, so they can chuck stuff out the buildings. So yeah, it's the end of an era. It's the end of an era. But once it's not down, hopefully something new and better will be put up. It was supposed to be a big family amusement centre, but unfortunately the company that was supposed to be doing that went into administration, I believe. But they're wanting to tear it down. And it's ready to build on. Here you got a thing there, looked over, just go downstairs in. Just right there, that's the car park. That's underground, and you've obviously got this bit above. It's quite a big perimeter that they've got closed off anyway. Well, they've got that section open though. Yeah, they've even put them stairs off up there now. I'm not sure what they'll actually do about that bridge and stairs. I don't know whether they'll bring that down as well, or whether they'll try and incorporate it with the new design. I think this car park's closed off for the reason of that being able to head down. Let's have a look at the notice. Probably will be to do due to the demolition of this site here. We open Thursday, 31st of July. So you can either use the central car park, which is over there, or the multi-storey car park there, because yeah, the demolition this site, so it's all closed till the 31st of July. So if you're visiting, there's the postcodes that you need, and I'll even put a description, I'll put it in the description down below. If you enjoyed that video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video.